Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on Dimensional Flagstone. Dimensional Flagstone is a 6-piece patterned landscape slab that replicates the look of natural cleft cut stone. Made of durable wet cast concrete, the slabs are then treated with a proprietary surface enhancement called Vibralock, which creates a more durable surface and enhances the color. This makes Dimensional Flagstone a perfect choice for walkways, patios, and pool decks. Each pallet weighs 2,350 pounds with a coverage of 98 square feet. There are 6 block sizes within the pallet and 8 of each block type, all at 2-inch thickness. The sizes are 12-inch by 6-inch, 12 pounds, 12-inch by 12-inch, 24 pounds, 18-inch by 12-inch, 36 pounds, 18-inch by 18-inch, 54 pounds, 24 by 18-inch, 72 pounds, 24 by 24-inch, 96 pounds. There are several helpful tools to bring during installation, including a landscape rake, shovels, levels, compaction device, diamond blade concrete saw, fabric, screed rails and bars, and a leveling device. For base prep, we recommend using a minimum 6 inches of angular aggregate base, compacting in layers. On top of the dense graded aggregate base, we recommend 1 inch of bedding sand. Of course, the conditions of each site are different and may require unique engineering. Always defer to the design engineer when applicable. Once you screed your 1-inch layer of bedding sand, you're now ready to start setting the pavers. When setting the pavers, we have a pattern layout available within the tech guide for optimal coverage. These slabs are designed to be easily moved by hand, however there are several vacuum tools and lifting devices on the market that can make lifting and moving the larger slabs even easier. Use pavers from multiple pallets for a natural, blended aesthetic. We recommend using a standard diamond blade handsaw or table saw to cut through the pavers. Use leftover cuts to finish off your pattern layout and maximize your use. See our tech guide for an easy to create walkway pattern utilizing all 6 pieces of Dimensional Flagstone in an efficient layout. You can finish the patio by installing your preferred jointing material. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions when using the third-party joint materials. Third-party materials are not covered under warranty by High Format. Please note that Dimensional Flagstone is not recommended for vehicular applications. Thank you for looking at Dimensional Flagstone. If you have further questions, please visit our website at www.highformat.com or contact your local sales representative.